Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are quite well. You all are welcome in English literature class. Dear students, I want to ask you something before starting the lesson. What do you do with the waste material? Have you ever used the waste material? Can waste material be recycled and reused? You have to tell some of the things that you can recycle. Yes, I want to tell you that waste material can be recycled and reused. It is the best example of Rock Garden, which is in Chandigarh. The Rock Garden of Chandigarh is a sculpture garden. It is also known as Nekchand. I hope you all have heard about Nekchand, who was the great creator of Rock Garden, a government official who started the garden secretly in his spare time in 1957. Today, it is spread over an area of 40 acres. It is completely built from industrial and home waste and discarded items. The rock garden is near the Sukhna lake. It consists of man made interlinked waterfalls and many other sculptures that have been made of scrap and other kinds of waste like bottles, glasses, bangles, tiles, ceramic pots, sinks, etc. In his spare time, Nekchan started collecting material from demolished sites around the city. He cycled these materials into his own vision of divine kingdom from Sukarni. Dear students, let's begin the reading of lesson 6 Rock Garden, the modern wonder of the world. Rock Garden is a famous tourist spot in India. It is built in the foothills of the Shivalik Hills in North India. It is located in Chandigarh, the city beautiful. It is the first garden in the world which is built with waste materials and throwaway items. More than 5,000 people from all over the world visit it daily. Now, there are some countries which have made gardens from waste materials too. Rock garden is created by Nekchand, who had not studied art in any school or college. He worked with the government as a hobby. He began working on this project all by himself. In his spare time, he started collecting stones from the river bed. Dear students, as I have already told you that Rock Garden is a famous tourist spot. It is built in the foothills of the Shivalik Hills in Chandigarh, which is a very beautiful city. It is the first garden in the world which is built with waste materials and throwaway items. Rock Garden is created by Nekchand, who had not studied art in any school or college. He worked with the government as a hobby. He began working on this project by himself. Let's continue the reading of the lesson. He recycled these materials and built a small and wonderful kingdom in a gorge. Gorge means a narrow, deep valley in a forest near Sukhna Lake. He worked on his dream project for 18 years till his work was noticed by his officers. Then he was given space to create a garden with shrubs. Shrubs means bushes and wild trees, but no flowers. The place has several rocks and boulders, hence it was named Rock Garden. It was opened for the public in 1976. Rock Garden is built in three phases. The entry to the garden is through a narrow space lined up with rocks and empty tar drums. Visitors have to walk on an uneven path made from mortar. Mortar means a mixture of sand, lime, and water used for holding bricks, stone together, and riverside stones. Once they walk through the maze, like lanes with boulders on either side, they come across country yards. On different platforms, they see bright birds and animals made with pebbles and colorful broken glass bangles. There are rows of figures made from waste materials. There are soldiers with weapons As dear students, I have already mentioned that rock garden is near the Sukna lake. He recycled the materials and made the wonderful kingdom. After that, government has noticed these things and they have given the space to create the garden. And the space was covered with shrubs and wild trees, but there were no flowers, only rocks and boulders were there. So that's why it was named as rock garden. Rock garden is built in three phases. The entry to the garden is through a narrow space or empty tar bar. Visitors have to walk through the riverside stones, and there are maze like lanes also there. On different platforms, one can see the bright birds and animals weighed with pebbles and colorful broken glass bangles. There are also rows of figures made from waste materials. Dear students, I am continuing the lesson. Women with pots on their heads and beautiful children standing erect. Erect means straight. They are made with rags, playing marbles, old pots and pans, and pieces of broken crockery and bangles. Even broken bathroom tiles and fittings have been used to create dancers and musicians. In one wide courtyard, there is a wish well. It even has a rusted bucket and pulley used for drawing water. With old things, the artist also made a hut for himself where he often used to meet the visitors. The second phase, built at a later period, looks more like a dreamland, a kingdom with mosaic courtyards. Mosaic means pictures or patterns made by placing together pieces of glass, stones, etc. The man made waterfalls look very natural. The visitors come across sculptures made from all kinds of things: bottles, glasses, bangles, tiles, ceramic pots, wash basin, etc. These sculptures are placed in walled paths. There is a shop which sells souvenirs. As dear students, I have already mentioned that the sculptures made with the rags, playing marbles, old pots, pans, pieces of broken crockery, bangles, and broken bathroom tiles are also used to create the dancers or the musicians. In one wide courtyard, there is written Wish Well. The artist has also made a hut for himself where he often used to meet the visitors. Okay, the second phase built at a later period, it looks like a dreamland. Okay, the man made waterfalls look very natural. The visitor come across the sculpture made from the kinds of things like bottles, glasses, bangles that I have already mentioned, that the waste materials are used to make all the sculptures. Let's complete the reading of the lesson. In the third phase, there is a small open air theater where plays and music concerts take place. There are swings for children too. Every year in rainy season, women celebrate the Tees festival here. Tees means a festival celebrated by women in the rainy season in northern part of India. The garden is then lit up and looks like a fairyland. One must visit this divine kingdom at least wants to see this artistic use and display of used materials. Dear students, do you know that in the third phase there is a open air theater where plays and music concerts take place? At there women celebrate their Tej festival. The garden is lit up and looks like a fairyland, and I hope you all will visit this divine kingdom at least once to see the artistic use and display of the material that he has used there. And dear students, I hope you all will read the lesson carefully and underline the difficult word in which you are facing to pronounce. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.